Well, this is one of my least favorite things to talk about, but one of my most favorite things to do. My least favorite things are bagworms. I don't know why God made these creatures. I'm sure there's a purpose. They will contaminate the entire tree. In fact, down here you can see where they've eaten some of the primary leaves off. So we kill these early on in the season. That's what we're here to do today. Voila! No more bad bagworms. So we use this handy dandy flamethrower as a tool to kill the worms in our trees to keep from contaminating the whole place. And it's very effective, it's very cheap, and it's lots of fun. Bingo, no more bagworm. Well, this was fun. I've got a few more of these to do. So let us know what you think about it. And remember to like and subscribe, please. Later.